Hey, what is going on, guys? Cisco here, and in this video I want to show you a website builder software that you can find inside of GetResponse. So this is the back end of my GetResponse account, and as you can see, when you come here to tools, you're able to find this website builder tool right here. So what you do is you click on it. It's going to take you to this page here, and all you have to do is just click on the create website button. Now you have two options currently, and you have a third one on the way, but these two options pretty much, as you can see, this is an AI powered builder, and all you have to do is answer a few questions about your business, and it's going to generate a personalized site for you. Now you have here, this is a user ready-made template, or you can use also a blank template. So for example, if I click on here, you're going to see I have two different options: pre-designed templates and GetResponse. They give you quite a good amount of templates that you can use. So depending on what it is that you're trying to accomplish, what type of website you're trying to create. So for example, you have here affiliate site, you have here for a brochure, crowdfunding, e-commerce site, educational, entertainment. So you have different options here, different categories of websites. Also, they give you up here, for example, if you want an adult, arts and entertainment, auto and vehicles, beauty and fitness, books and literature, and you have 23 more categories here. Now, these are pretty good looking, pretty clean looking templates here. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and show you what one of these will look like. So I'm going to click on full site preview, and it's going to show us exactly how this website looks. So as you can see, it looks pretty clean, pretty good looking site. Nice image. Well, I mean, yeah, the images, you would obviously add them, but then again, I mean, there's really not much you would do to this website, right? If you were to choose this template, for example, just change out your the information here, or just basically change out the text, change out the images, and you're pretty good to go, right? You're good to go. So I'm gonna X out of here, and I'm gonna show you another example. So let's check this one out here. So as you can see, they do have different pages, right? They have a home page, an about us page. This is the about us page. Offer page, and again, they all come with your call to action. So that's another neat little I guess thing that they offer you. Contact us page. Okay, so that looks pretty neat. Now you have here your social media buttons. You can add your logo right up top. So I'm going to show you, those are the already made templates. All you would have to do is just change out the images and the text. But going into the blank templates, you have different types of sites. So for example, you have here this site where you would pretty much introduce or you know what your website is about with an image here, add a title. Same thing here, you can add in a title here, and it has an opt-in form so you can start collecting leads right from the get. I think this is really useful as well. Same thing with this one right here. You introduce your idea, what your website is about pretty much, and then right down here you can go ahead and collect some emails or and names and things of that nature. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and check out this blank template. So if I wanted to create a website with this, all I would do is just use this template, and there you go, right there. You could go ahead and check this out. And a lot of times when it's on preview mode, so if it's on preview, then you can't edit anything, you can't make any changes. So you would have to toggle this off. And you could also, right here, you can see your progress in the mobile setup, right? So if once you set it up for your desktop, then you would come check it out for mobile, right? So right here, going back to our desktop, I want to go ahead and show you how you would go about, and it's really simple. So for example, if you wanted to change, if you wanted to add a logo, right, you simply click on here, and as you can see, right here on the right hand side, you're able to see everything that you can do here for your logo section. So for example, if I want to replace that logo that they have there, all I would do is click here, and let me see, I do have I thought I had a logo here that I had added, but I guess not. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the logo. So let me see here. Where is it? Okay, so it's this logo, I believe. Yes. So let's go ahead and add in that logo real quick. Oh yeah, and I do have it here. I don't know why it didn't show me that. So I can that easily I can go ahead and replace my logo. I can also make this bigger or smaller, however I want to make it. Now I think that looks good right there. And I would just go ahead and leave that. Now obviously, you know, right here you can go ahead and save, but I'm not going to save it yet. For example, let's say that I wanted to get rid of the Twitter handle here. So what I would do is I would just X the Twitter, and let's say that I want to add in YouTube and I want to add in Instagram. So I could go ahead and add in both of these platforms. Now I don't like the way that looks. I want it to be all aligned. So you could either leave it like that, or you could just pretty much make it that way, right? Now I think that looks better. Okay, and so right here now you have your header section here. I mean your menu right up here with your home, features, pricing, contact. Now we're gonna get to that, but right here, if you wanted just to change the title, so for example, all you have to do is just change the text right there. That's it. And also, if let's say you wanted to customize here the opt-in fields a little bit more, so what you would do for that, just click inside of it. Again, going right here to the right hand side, you can check out the fields, you can edit them right here. And also you can design. So if, for example, you wanted to, you know, change the font family, maybe you want to change it to Montserrat, then you could go ahead and change it right there. Also, you can make these round. You can leave them like that, sharp. It really doesn't matter what you want to do. It's all right in here. All you have to do is just play around with this. Same thing for the button. So let's say that I wanted to customize the button a little bit. Now they do have different options for the button. For example, you have the solid look, outline. Then you have more styles here that they give you. So for example, let's say I wanted to use that one, but here are other options that you have to customize your button. So let's say I want to do that one, and then I want to go ahead and make it large, and I want it to actually be a little bit wider. So all I would do is just go ahead and make that wider. Okay, again, you can go ahead and change your text right there. Okay, and that would be pretty much it, right? So that is how you could customize your opt-in form. Now coming down here, for example, let's say you wanted to add images to this. So again, you would just click on the image section here, and on the right side you would have you'll be able to replace the current image. I mean, obviously there's nothing there, but you can go ahead and let's see real quick. So let's say that I wanted to add, let's say this was a drone website. So I can go ahead and add that in there. Now you could make this smaller. That's as big as it's going to get. And you could do the same thing for this side as well. So replace, and let's go ahead and use this image here. So these are not the best images, but you get the point. You would definitely get better images. So that's just to demonstrate how you can go ahead and complete your website here really easy, really quickly. I mean, this is not going to take you a long time. You just have to have your images ready, your logo ready, and pretty much know what you're going to be adding in these spaces here, or in these sections. Now again, you would just right here, if you wanted to add in another image. Now we have here some testimonials that you can go ahead also and add. And that's pretty much it, right? So this is what your website would be looking like. And let's say that now we want to go ahead and customize another one of our pages. So we would go here, and now, okay, so let me real quick go back here. So it goes back to the our main site. So manage pages. So it's right here on the side. So there you go. So right over here on the side, you can go ahead and just click on this button here to manage other pages, or not manage, but to customize other pages on your site. And again, if you wanted to change the pricing structure here, obviously list out what's included, add in your items. So for example, for our drone example, you can go ahead and add them in there. Now I wanted to show you another thing. So going back to the home page real quick. So right here in your sign up form, let's say you wanted to have your sign up form, and all you would do pretty much is right here under subscription settings. So let's say that you've already created a list inside of your GetResponse account, then that would show up right here under your list, whatever list that you want to go ahead and connect this opt-in form to. Then you would just pretty much click it and connect it right then and there, and it gives you these options here. So send an opt-in confirmation email or add to an autoresponder cycle. Now let's click on that, and right there at the day 0. So this would be as soon as somebody puts in their information, they're going to be added to your autoresponder cycle. They're going to get the first email at whatever time that you decided. So whether it's right after they sign up or a day after, whatever it is, then they're going to get it. Okay, now you would go ahead obviously and save this, and you can also connect a domain. Let's say that you have a domain already integrated into GetResponse. You can also go ahead and connect that right in here. So there you have it, guys. I wanted to show you this website builder software. I hope that you got some value from this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you did like the video, make sure you smash that like button, hit the notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And with that said, thanks so much for watching, and make it a great day or night. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.